In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo in a Canva template. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your Canva skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of personalizing your design with a new photo. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. This is your starting point where you can access all the fantastic design tools Canva has to offer. If you're new to Canva, simply sign up for a free account. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your dashboard. The dashboard is an exciting place filled with endless possibilities. What you want to do next is hover your mouse over to the top area above the search bar and look for the Templates section. Give it a click, and this will take you to Canva's treasure trove of design templates. Now that you're at the Templates page, it's time to choose the template you'd like to work with. For today's example, let's go with something versatile, like a portfolio template. Browse through the options, and once you find one that catches your eye, click on it. Exploring different designs can be really inspiring and give you fresh ideas for your project. After selecting your template, you will see a big button that says, Customize this template. Click on this button and hold tight for a few moments while Canva loads the design for you. It's going to open in the Canva editor, and this is where the magic happens. With the template open, shift your attention over to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a panel with several options. You'll want to click on the section labeled Uploads. This is the place where you can upload your own images. If you've not uploaded your photo yet, go ahead and click the Upload button. You can choose the photo you want to use from your computer, and it will quickly appear in your Uploads library. Alternatively, if you already have images uploaded, pick the one you'd like to use. Now, for the fun part, replacing the photo in your template. Locate the photo you previously uploaded, and simply click and drag it over to the area in the template where you want to replace the existing image. Canva makes it incredibly easy with a simple drag and drop action. Once your photo is in place, you can adjust it to make sure it fits perfectly into the design. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a photo in your Canva template. Feel free to play around with other features like text, colors, and more to make your design truly your own. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!